Hello my friends, today some kind of different video because I bought a boat. Yeah, so I'm really happy that I found this boat, found it online. I've looked for boats for, I don't know, half a year maybe even a bit longer. At first I was looking for something really cheap, but these super cheap boats were completely trash. To be honest, I would have had to put so much work into them, and then I decided to spend some more money and finally found this beauty. I will show you around in this video. Let's remove the cover and then I'll explain a bit more details to the boat. I'm really happy to have it finally here and to show it to you guys. So this is the boat, a SeaRay Seville from, I think, 1988, something like that. 2.5 liter OMC motor inside, 120 horsepower, enough power to even pull, wakeboard, water ski or anything else behind it. This is the cockpit, the beautiful teak wood or teak optic maybe. We have the fuel gauge, the speedo up to 55 miles per hour. I doubt that it would go so fast, but who knows. The oil pressure, amps and voltmeter, the RPM and the cooling temperature. This beautiful steering wheel. The cables for it are free, the same as the cables for the, hold on, I know, okay, it only goes forward, and then you have to choose if you want to go forward, neutral or reverse. And I think this is the trim. And some more fuses, lights, blower, bilge pump and accessory, whatever that is. We also have a radio with 2 speakers. Here's the cover missing. On this side the cover is on. We have room for 6 people. These back-to-back seats fold down to, oh no, it collides with the motor. Okay, like this, maybe it works. Folds down for laying down. Let's try it out. Laying down. Oh yeah, that's comfortable. Ooh, that's comfortable, yeah. I see it lying in the sun on the water, the waves. Oh yeah, I'm so excited guys, so excited. As you probably have seen, and also what you would expect for a boat on the low price range, there are a lot of stains, a lot of mold on the seats. The floors are not that pretty anymore, but sturdy. That's what's most important. Also, of course, on the outside it has to be deep cleaned, but I think these seats can be saved. I guess maybe the floor I will do completely new, at least the carpet, remove the carpet and then do something really nice. Let's have a look at the motor. As I already told you, it's a 2.5 liter OMC motor with 120 horsepower. I checked the oil level before I bought the boat. It is actually on the low end of the gauge. Oh no, it's on the middle now. Oh, not bad. But the important thing with the boat is that it's not overfilled on the dipstick, because that might hint to water in the oil. Yeah, I mean, I checked the alternator, seems kind of free. I didn't rotate the motor because I want to lube up the cylinders first. I had the spark plugs out beforehand, looked inside with the borescope, but there were not that much rust on the cylinder walls, not that much carbon buildup or anything that would lead to a malfunction of the motor. Also, the bilge is pretty dry. Okay, here's a bit of water now, but not terrible at all. So it's nothing leaking. That's a good sign. The oil pan is a bit rusty. I have to check if I need to do something about that or if it's okay. You can see the drain plug is out. I have to think about that before putting it in the water the first time. Yeah, we have some rust on the exhaust manifold as well, but yeah, nothing bad as long as I can see. We have storage under here, and we have battery, or the battery will go down there, and then we also have storage here in the front. It's not much. I don't know if this wooden floor can be removed, if there's foam underneath. I thought of ripping the floor out and also this side, and then you could, yeah, maybe sleep down there even. That would be great. Of course, the complete outside windows, everything needs a proper wash, but I think it will just clean out really nice. SeaRay Seville for me. We also have a bimini top for the sunny days on the water. There are some stains as well. I haven't opened it up, to be honest, but it's great to have for, as I said, the sunny days. Also, two fenders on both sides. Here, this is the position light, I think. Where does it go? I don't know. I guess in the back, but I don't see it right now. But good to have anyways. Yeah, and I mean, guys, that's it. Oh, this beautiful steering wheel, I love it. I definitely see myself cruising down the river, the sea, the lakes. I'm so excited. I think it will clean out great. I hope that the motor is okay. The guy I bought it from said they parked the boat 2 years ago, but it was running back then. But he can't assure that it's still running. The motor was winterized, so I hope nothing freezed up. Yeah, what else to say? I'm really excited to get this thing running again and looking beautiful again, and I'm really looking forward to the adventures I will have on the water. I will take you guys with me on my journey. First getting it back on the water and then what I will do with it. I'm really excited. Leave the video a thumbs up if you are excited as well. Comment what you think about my boat. I'm really looking forward to hearing your opinions. And yeah, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the next video. And yeah, take care guys. See you. Bye.